Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a lipstick demo for you guys today. I just got this, I believe, at Target. It is the Infallible Paints Metallics. I picked up the color 330 Moonlust. So I hate that I can't really tell what the color is through the packaging, but we're gonna open it up together and see whether it is a great color or not. So let's go ahead and open it up. I've never used this. It comes with this doe foot applicator. That looks like, does it match the packaging? Let's look. Yeah, so it kind of matches the packaging. Let's go ahead and put it on the lips and I'll tell you how it feels. I don't know if you guys can talk, if you guys can understand me. And I'm actually putting lipstick on, but I'm a good multitasker. It does not feel drying, because I know some metallics can feel very, very drying to the skin. Ooh, I like the color. What do you girls think? Is it super metallic or is it not? What do you guys think? That's like the perfect like mauve color. I think it's gorgeous, and if I can find a link to it, I will post it down below. But not drying at all. Let's give it a few seconds. Actually, let's blow on it with a fan. Guys, it feels like a lip gloss on the lips. Very flexible, very moisturizing actually. And you know how some metallics, you put them on and you're like, ooh, because it just dries down. This is really, really pretty. Once again, this is 330 Moonlust. Are you lusting over my lips? Do they look like a moon? Anyways, if you guys could hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.